In fact, there is an undervalued side job in the world of AI where smart people can make a nice $9,000 a month by sharing videos they made with Canva. Some people are making thousands of dollars almost straight away, so I'm shocked that it's not more common. I'll show you an example in a moment. In short, this is how they do things. First, they go to Canva and choose a trivia video template that has already been made. Following this, they use ChatGPT to make a trivia game for them. After pasting the answers into the template, they can share their trivia quiz videos on TikTok and make thousands of dollars every week from ads and affiliate commissions. Also, you can get these commissions in most countries around the world. To be honest, I wouldn't have believed it if I hadn't seen it for myself. If you're interested in this chance, I'll walk you through it step by step, starting with the first step: making money through TikTok ads. Let's start off with step 1. In order to show how it's done, let's start by looking at Quiz with Charlie, an account that only posts trivia quizzes. Here's an example of what they have to offer: fun knowledge quizzes set against fascinating B-roll film. If you listen closely, you'd hear that the questions are read by a fairly basic AI speech, which is a trick I'll be happy to share with you later. What's interesting is that I became interested in it right away when I stumbled upon it. These videos are getting tens of thousands of views, and some are even getting hundreds of thousands or millions of views. I was interested, so I thought about consistency. I looked through their videos and I realized that it's been generating over the lower end of 250,000 views per video. What's even strange is that I found their channel watch time had skyrocketed as soon as they started posting trivia question videos. This shows that the market is clearly there for anyone to jump in and make some serious cash. One of their videos generated 17.8 million views. The really cool thing is that 17.8 million views on TikTok could earn you a lot of money. This is mostly because of the TikTok beta, the company's newest way to make money through ads. The ad rate for videos that last 1 minute or more are very good in this new ad program. About 50 cents to $1 are what you get on average for every 1,000 views. People who use TikTok have made a lot of money since the new ad program started. Surprise, surprise, Quiz with Charlie has taken advantage of this by chance, making sure that each of their video lasts at least a minute so the ads can play in the background while it's running. It was time to do the maths. They made over $9,000 by dividing the number of views by 1,000 and then multiplying the lowest rate of 50 cents. Before anyone else says in the comments, it's true that you need at least 10,000 fans on TikTok before you can make money from your videos. I mean, if you're generating videos people love, you'll get that in no time. But were they the only ones who thought of this? For more information, I did more research and was amazed by how many accounts I found that got 10,000 followers or more in just a couple of weeks after starting up. I would recommend just typing in trivia questions on the search bar and having a look yourself. Then there's this account, Trivia HQ, which is only a few months old. They put together a video that cover general knowledge and have thousands of views on average. One of their oldest videos is only a few months old, and they have managed to amass 20.4 million views in total. Brain Bursts is also only 4 months old. The first video they put out got an amazing 6.9 million views right away. It really is amazing. It's important to know though that the TikTok creativity beta isn't available everywhere yet. In May 2023, TikTok rolled out the creativity program beta to all eligible creators, and as of September 2023, TikTok has expanded the program to even more regions, including Brazil, France, Japan, and the UK. Most of the viewers, especially those in the US, UK, are not harmed. If you're interested in this chance, I want to tell you about another way to make money that most people in most countries in the world can use. Now, on to step 2, which is how to make money from partner earnings. I will quickly explain what partner marketing and earnings is if you don't know already. Partner earnings are when you get someone to buy a product from a service that a business offers or a shop, and in return, you get a little money, kind of like commission from a sale. And partner marketing is when you promote the business and try and bring on as many clients as you can. Take a look at this knowledge game as an example. This account has only been around for 2 months, so it's pretty new. They make quiz videos for people who are learning English, which is a very narrow audience. you can now see that their videos are very simple. They also have a URL in the TikTok bio. If you click on it, it takes you to a link tree with partner and referral links to English classes and ebooks. Now, here's the thing, right? One of the best things about this way to make money on TikTok is that, as I already said, it's available in most countries. This is because you can find high-paying products to promote through this website, ClickBank. Signing up is easy as it's available in almost all countries. You can find high commission affiliate offers in their partner stores as soon as you sign up. There are thousands of goods in a huge number of niches. Rocket Languages, an online school that teaches English, is one of the best affiliate programs in this area that pays well. They have their referral affiliate links in a ClickBank account. Affiliates make on average $100 for every time they successfully bring on a new customer to Rocket Languages. Another great way to make money with quiz videos is to find high-paying partner products on ClickBank and then sell them to your TikTok users. We can now move on to step 3, which is to use ChatGPT to make free question tests. You can also use the paid version. However, the free version does a great job for this. To start, all you have to do is ask it to make as many quiz questions for a subject you have chosen, like history, for example. It gives you questions with 3 or 4 possible replies. This can be fun on its own since some of these questions are frankly pretty easy. You may want to increase the difficulty of the questions and answers, which could make it more engaging for your viewers. I mean, we all know who built the pyramids, right? In that case, to ensure it's not a complete walk in the park, you can ask ChatGPT to make it slightly harder to really challenge the history nerds out there. As an alternative, you can ask it to make quiz questions for you and tell it that you only want questions from people with a moderate to high level of knowledge and not from people with a basic level of knowledge, but that's completely down to you. I didn't bother to make simple, easy questions. Instead, I only worked on making questions that are a little harder, like this one. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? I know for sure there will be a lot of people who wouldn't have a clue what the answer to this would be, especially if you lived outside of the UK. I admit that at first I didn't know myself, but it turns out that the answer is Margaret Thatcher. You can ask ChatGPT to make different styles of questions for you, like this one, which is a fill in the blank style of question. There have been almost 200,000 views of this video with the fill in the blank game. So I went onto ChatGPT and asked them to make 5 quiz questions. I made it clear that I wanted them to be fill in the blank and told them which niche topic I wanted them to be about. There have been almost 200,000 views of this video with the fill in the blank game. Now that you've made your quiz questions, let's make a video out of them. That means we can move on to step 4, which is to use Canva's inbuilt templates to streamline our viral trivia video TikToks. Okay, step 4. I'm personally crazy about Canva. It's so simple to use and with tons of features. But if you're new and don't know what it is, Canva is one of the best and cheapest design apps out there with tons of pre-made templates. So that's perfect for beginners and even for pros, as it can save you a lot of time. It's possible to make both pictures and videos, long form and short form, with Canva. I'll put a link to a place where you can try Canva Pro for free for 30 days below the video description. Please note that the link is an affiliate link. You don't have to use it, but it's always welcomed if you do. After making an account, all you have to do is log in and then choose make a mobile video. From your homepage, the design tool in Canva will make this go much more quickly. To find question videos in the template, just look for them. There are a lot of different pre-made templates that Canva and other users have made that you can use as a starting point for your video. Now you can pick a template that fits the style of your area or one that you like the look of. But the truth is that we're going to change this a lot. So I think it really doesn't matter which one you choose. That's why I picked this style and clicked to make it work on both pages. There are 2 video pages for each part of the quiz. The question screen is on one page and the answer screen is on the other page. In the beginning, I changed the subject of my question. I changed it so that it now says history. You can change the name to anything you want. Your words can be changed in color, style, and size, and you can move things around. After that, I just changed the question that ChatGPT had made for me. When you double click on a text box, you can change the text that's inside of it First, I changed the question, and then I changed all the answers to the ones that GPT had thought of. That being said, one of the things that makes me crazy about Canva is that he has millions of images, photos, and drawings already loaded into its library. We're going to change our settings with these. To do that, first click on the background picture and then press the delete button. After that, go to the elements and type in what you want your background to be. Then all you have to do is pick out a picture that you like and move it around until it covers the whole screen. If you want your photo to be behind all of your other visual elements, click the position button and then click on layers. Drag your photos all the way around to the bottom of the layer. You can now use your picture as the background. Now all that's left is to make these changes to our answer pages as well. First, move your mouse over to the title page and elements to group them all together. Then choose to copy these elements. Next, click on the second page of your timeline and delete all the title elements that are on it. Next, put the title parts you copied earlier. They should be pasted exactly where you copied them. After that, click the animate button and choose clear animations. Next, change the questions to your own question. You need to switch the answers around so that the right answer is where it was on the first page you made. On my end, I put the right answer in the C box. Because of that, I moved it there. Along with that, I changed the text on each answer to match the text on the previous page. Of course, you also need to change the background to match. Go back to the first page, pick out the background, and then click the copy it. Go to the second page and then paste the picture in. After that, click position, go to the layers and put your picture behind the quiz items like you did before. Now they match and it looks really great. At the beginning of our video, the question and the replies appear on the screen. After 5 seconds, the right answer is animated and shown to the watcher. We only need to add our AI audio now. Plus, as a bonus, I'll show you exactly what AI speech that all the other viral TikTok accounts use. To do this, go to apps, type in AI voiceover and then click on the voiceover app. Then choose to open the app. After that, just type the questions into the script, and this is very important. Pick Adam deep male voice from the speakers, of course. You don't have to pick Adam, and you might not want to. There are many other voices and accents to choose from, and feel free to mess around, which is what I did in my own time. But this is exactly what you need to do to get the voice that most of these viral quiz videos use. I don't know why it's popular, but hey, it worked. After that, just pick the style. The conversational style is what the most popular TikTok users also use. So select that, then just press the generate audio button. It will then show up on your video timeline where you can drag and drop it to any part of the video you desire. If your script is too long, you might want to shorten it to ensure it remains within the timeline of the first page, or you can right click the audio and speed it up to ensure it all fits in. However, bear in mind that you only get 400 lines free and you will have to pay for more lines. I estimate about 500 lines of script are used average for each video, so not an awful lot, and that's about 30 videos for $10, which is pretty good. But if you don't want to spend $10 on this, you could also make an AI voiceover on a separate app like 11 Labs, which lets you make free voice clips that are 500 characters or less, which is great for quiz videos. After that, you can just upload this on Canva. You might also be interested in adding sound effects like a bell or a timer ringing when the answer is shown on the screen. I personally think that adding a ticking sound may help with engagement. To do that, just type in the sound effect you want in Canva's audio app. Check it out to see if you like it. If so, click on it and move it to where you want to place it in the video. After that, you just copy and paste this process for each question on your quiz. First, click to make a copy of a question video page, then move, drag, and drop the copy to the end of the timeline. Then go back and change it by putting your new question, the answers to that question, and the new picture for the background. After that, make a copy of the results video page from before and move it to the end of the timeline. After that, go back and change how that page looks too. You can use the same picture you used for the question page you just made. Then go back and change the questions answers to match to and add your own speech and sound effects. After that, do this for every questions you have. When you're done adding them all, your video quiz will be complete. You can now upload it to TikTok to start getting views and traffic. Very nice. It's also really simple to turn it into a video that you can share. To get it, just click share and then download. Then click download again while making sure the MP4 file type is chosen. And now you can upload it when it's done. Watch my next video here if you're interested in more serious long-term modes of investing, such as understanding the stock market. Remember, I'm a qualified accountant, so I can surely give you honest advice to help you on your money-making journey. As always, if you have found value in this video, then please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.